Hello, it's just me with another quick bug report. Bug report directly is a deer has gotten stuck. I don't know why. It's kind of weird looking though, but not a very big bug report. Obviously, it just who knows. I don't know why it's stuck. If I can get it to happen, I want to show you something else too. Oh yeah. Look. Okay, it isn't happening from this direction, but from this direction. Yeah, look. See what's going on with the, look, it's turning like into the Predator or something. It's got like Predator shield up. So yeah, there was a time back when I taught 3D graphics that I could actually tell you what was causing that, but it's been a dang long time since I've taught 3D stuff. So yeah, anyway, as you can see, that's a perfect version right there. So this is one I thought you would want to see, because that's not trivial to figure out. I had at first thought it was related to my second monitor, but I disconnected the second monitor and have only one monitor going now, and it's still doing it. I have no idea what's causing this. I mean, I kind of do, but I'll leave it to you to find. I'm not going to tell you what's going on because I don't know for sure. Like I said, there was a time that maybe I would have remembered how to do that and what it was, but goodness knows it's been a long time since I taught 3D graphics. All right, check out this beautiful, beautiful irrigation. Look at that. Oh. So pretty. Looks great. And then of course with the little town over here with the gazebo and stuff. Nom nom nom. Looks just awesome. I love it. Yeah, that irrigation thing, you really rocked that one. That looks really, really, really nice. You know, especially when you put it next to the farm center there. Put some trees around it. You don't have to put trees around, obviously, but you know, I always put like a little stone wall around it and stuff like that. Anyway, yeah, it's looking great. That's the only bugs I can think of. There's only one other that really isn't I guess it's a bug, but I can't find easily a way to show you this. Sorry for scrolling it around so much. It's tweaking the view. I know it's just kind of freaky to watch. Sorry about that. So like these bridges are all real cool and everything, and they're working fine. Bridges are working great. Weirdly, it doesn't appear I need the bridges to get people over to the other landmass over here. They seem to appear over here anyway. If I ask it to build a house, a person builds a house over here. So maybe they're swimming across or something, or we just kind of suspension of disbelief. That's fine. The bug here, I guess, is, you know, there's trading ships that come through here and they hit these docks and harbors, right? Well, these bridges aren't drawbridges. You know what I mean? They're not drawbridges. So the ship just kind of cruises right on through them. It's kind of like one of those Russian dash cams. It just, banzai, and it goes right through it. So that is a bug, but I realize that that's a bug that may not be the most trivial thing in the world to fix. Ideally, what I would love to see is something like a drawbridge or a swing bridge. Either one's fine. It doesn't have to be a drawbridge. It could be a swing bridge. But I'm thinking it could automatically open when the ship goes by, but that's obviously way low on the priority list. That would be really cool to have some kind of way to swing these things out of the way so that when the trade ship comes through, it doesn't, for lack of better, hit and go pierce the bridges. Other than that, everything's rocking. Again, just practicing modding and practicing making some changes. Uh-oh, a pest. Looks like we got to get some pest extermination going there. Anyway, No, everything's fine. Can't think of any problems. All the stuff. I love beautifying it. You've got some really nice looking beautification stuff. I really, really like it. If I was better at 3D modeling, I'd make some other stuff myself. But you did a great job on the beautification things. It looks really good. Really good. I'd love to see you add more to that, obviously. But, you know, you only got so many hours in the day, I know. But yeah, everything's going fine. One other quick suggestion while I'm thinking about it, and I'll try and remember to write all this stuff down just while I'm thinking. It would be really nice to know how far away these things can get from an orchard before they lose their bonus. I should do, you know, experiments to see. What do you do? Anyway, it would be nice to see like a ring or something around these. Like, I think you do that on the carpenter shop. Isn't that what that ring is? That ring is like to show the range of another carpenter shop in order to get the bonus. It'd be nice to see something like this on the distilleries, especially once you've researched it. If you can do it that way, you may not. I don't know. Anyway. That's pretty much it. I guess that was like 4 things. Sorry, I was trying to not have more than a couple, but it's only 4 things. I'll put it all in the report. Thank you again very much, and I appreciate your time. Sometimes I like doing the video because I think it just makes a lot more sense. I taught software testing for many, many years, and sometimes it's really helpful to, for lack of better, have a picture of what's going on so you can actually see it. Plus, that predator-looking thing was pretty funny. Anyway, hasta mañana, hasta luego, and we'll see you later. Muchas gracias.